We got a storm coming in up here in New England. First significant snowfall of the season. They're calling for 6 to 12 inches. I've got all my other equipment up and running. It's time to put the snowblower on my tractor. First things first, we have to remove the loader. Next, we're going to install the mount. This is the most labor-intensive part. Next up, we install the drive shaft. It slides onto the front PTO shaft and locks into the mid PTO. Time to go install the snowblower. We need to connect the hydraulic lines to the hydraulic ram. Now we install the shaft that goes to the blower itself. Now we're going to connect the hydraulic lines for the chute, making sure that we match the colors to the correct outlets. Green, green, yellow, yellow. If I give you a hard time together, we'll check off, leave the pressure, run the hydraulics.